Okay, in this tutorial we're going to make this cross figure where there's a cross on each of the faces. So let's get going. So here we go. Make a new document and then make sure that your preferences, you have your template as feet and inches, and click OK. First thing we want to do, remove this guy, right? And then the next thing we want to do is draw a square 1 foot by 1 foot. So 1 apostrophe, comma, 1 apostrophe, enter. There it is. 1 foot by 1 foot. Then we're going to get the push pull and we're going to push up and do it again. 1 foot, 1 apostrophe. There it is. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw some squares on these surfaces. So I'm going to get the square tool and I'm on that surface and I'm going to go to the corner here and I'm going to draw on the surface 4-inch by 4-inch square. So 4 double quote, comma, 4 double quote, enter. 4 by 4 inch. I'm going to do it on the other corner too. So there it is. 4-inch, comma, 4-inch, comma. Okay. I'll try it again. 4-inch, comma, 4-inch. And there it is. I'm going to go over here. 4-inch, comma, 4-inch. There it is. And one more here. And 4-inch, comma, 4-inch. And now, think, no, then take, okay. Comma, 4-inch. Okay. So now we're ready to do some pushing and pulling. We're going to go take the push-pull tool. I'm going to go down by 4 inches. So I'm going to type in 4 inches, enter. There it is. Down 4 inches, enter. And go around and 4 inches, enter. Go to the last one here. 4 inches, enter. You get the idea, right? So the same thing over here. On this surface, I don't need these rectangles, but I need 2 rectangles down here, right? So I'm going to get a rectangle tool. I'm going to go 4 inches, comma, 4 inches. Over here, rectangle or square, 4 inches, comma, 4 inches, okay? And then I'm going to use my push-pull, and I'm going to go in 4 inches. In 4 inches. So now it's up to you to finish this up, okay? So after a little work, I have all these done. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to color this in a little bit, right? So I'm going to select the bucket tool. You can choose any color you like, right? And we're going to fill it with the bucket. I could have done this by selecting it all first and then use the bucket, right? The other thing I could do is I could make this a little two-toned. So I'm going to get the bucket tool, choose a little darker color, and these crosses I'm going to make a different color. So you can play around with that. And there it is, right? Okay. I'd like to make a few more of these like a grid. So I'm going to get the selection tool, select the whole object, and go to Edit. You can't see it, but it says Make Component. Okay, Make Component, and we're going to call that block. Okay, so now it's one component. All these surfaces are one component. What I like to do is get the Move tool. I want to grab this right on that edge right here. See that vertex endpoint? I'm going to grab it, and then when I move it, I'm going to hold Control, and that gives me a copy. And I'm going to let go of Control, and I'm going to let it go right over here where it says endpoint. You see? Now if I type in 5x, it'll give me 5 more of those. Okay, that's pretty good. So now I'm going to do the same thing with all of these. I'm going to get the Move tool. I'm going to grab it right here where it says endpoint. I'm going to move it, hold Control, let go of Control, and go to this endpoint, and then put 5x again. All right. Let's do it one more time. I'm going to get all of these. I'm going to get the Move tool. I'm going to grab it right here, endpoint. I'm going to move it up, hold Control, and let it go right here where it says endpoint, and then type in 5x, enter. And okay, now we have our little geometric shape. Looks pretty good. I like it.